In a situation where the grid goes down or during other emergencies, security can become a huge concern. Technology might fail, but animals can provide reliable protection for homesteads and off-grid or grid-down properties. So here are some of the best guard animals to consider. Each has unique strengths and weaknesses, and knowing these can help you make an informed decision about which animals to rely on for your security needs. Dogs. Dogs are often the first animals that come to mind when considering guard animals, and for good reason. Certain breeds are particularly well suited to guarding properties and deterring intruders. German Shepherds are one of the top choices. They're intelligent, they're loyal, and they're highly trainable. They possess a natural instinct to protect their territory and their family, making them excellent guard dogs. Their imposing size and their strong bark can deter most intruders. However, they require regular training and exercise to stay sharp and healthy. Rottweilers are another great option. They're known for their strength, their courage, and their loyalty. Rotties can be very protective of their family and their property. Like German Shepherds, they need consistent training and socialization to ensure they can differentiate between friend and foe. Belgian Malinois are also highly recommended. They're often used in police and military work because of their intelligence and their agility. These dogs are very energetic, and they do require a lot of physical and mental stimulation. Doberman Pinschers are known for their speed, their strength, and their loyalty. They're highly intelligent, and they can be trained to perform a variety of tasks, including guarding. Dobies have a sleek, muscular build that makes them agile and capable of responding quickly to threats. And they're very loyal to their family, and they can be quite protective. On the downside, Dobermans require regular exercise and mental stimulation to prevent boredom, which can lead to destructive behavior. They also need consistent training to ensure they're well behaved and able to differentiate between friendly visitors and potential threats. Bull Mastiffs are large, powerful dogs with a calm and gentle disposition towards their family. They're known for their protective instincts, and they can be very effective at deterring intruders. Bull Mastiffs are naturally alert, and they'll quickly respond to any unusual activity around your property. Despite their size, they're relatively low-energy dogs, and they don't require as much exercise as other guard dog breeds. However, their large size means they eat a lot of food, and their gentle nature requires early socialization to ensure they're well-mannered around kids and other pets. On the downside, large guard dogs can be intimidating to friends and neighbors, and they need a significant amount of food and care, which can be challenging in a grid-down situation. Additionally, their training requires time and effort, but it's well worth it, as this isn't just a guard dog, but a companion you will depend on for years. And obviously, I could have named many other great dogs to have in these types of situations. Just make sure you do your research on whatever breed you choose before bringing them into your home. Geese. Geese might seem like an unlikely choice, but they're actually surprisingly effective guard animals. They're naturally territorial, and they have excellent hearing. Their loud, aggressive honking can alert you to intruders long before they reach your property. And geese can also be quite intimidating due to their size and their aggressive nature when they feel threatened. The main advantage of geese is their low maintenance. They can forage for much of their food, and they require less care than dogs. And geese also have the benefit of being a dual-purpose animal, providing eggs and meat. But geese are not without their downsides. They can be aggressive towards anyone they perceive as a threat, including family members and other pets. And they also need access to water for swimming, which might be a challenge in some off-grid setups. Donkeys. Donkeys are known for their strong protective instincts, especially against predators like coyotes. They're often used to guard livestock like sheep and goats. Donkeys will bray loudly, and they can become aggressive, kicking and biting at intruders or predators. One of the biggest advantages of donkeys is their low maintenance. They thrive on a diet of hay and grass, and they don't really require special feed. They're also hardy animals that can handle various climates and conditions. However, donkeys are not as intimidating to human intruders as dogs are. Their protective behavior is more directed towards animal predators. Donkeys need a significant amount of space to graze, which might not be practical for all homesteads or areas. And they are social animals, so having two will allow them to thrive. And donkeys can be wary of any newcomers, including new animals and new people. So introduce them gradually into your donkey's life, at first from a distance. Peacocks. Peacocks are another unusual but effective choice. They're highly alert, and they have a loud, distinctive call that can serve as an early warning system. The primary advantage is their excellent eyesight and their awareness. They can spot intruders from a distance and sound the alarm. Peacocks are relatively low maintenance, and they can forage for a significant portion of their diet. However, peacocks are not physically intimidating, and they cannot deter intruders through aggression. Their loud calls can also be a nuisance, especially if you have close neighbors or you're looking to maintain a very low profile. Additionally, peacocks require specific care to thrive, including protection from extreme weather and predators. Some other considerations. In addition to dogs, geese, donkey, and peacocks, other animals can also provide security benefits. Llamas and alpacas are used to protect livestock and can be quite effective against predators. They're low maintenance, and they have a natural instinct to guard their herd. Guinea fowl are another option. They are highly alert and vocal, making them good at sounding the alarm when they detect intruders. They're also excellent at controlling insects and pests on your property. Each type of guard animal has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. By considering your specific needs and circumstances of your homestead or off-grid property or grid-down property, you can choose the right combination of animals to enhance your security in an SHTF situation.